Time now for your market recap. The JSE Combined Index was flat last week. 127 stocks traded across the main and junior markets for the week ending Friday, February 14, 2025. 62 made gains, 54 lost value, and 11 stayed the same. 233 million shares changed hands on the Jamaican dollar market, valued at $639 million. Trans-Jamaican 8% preference shares was the week's most traded stock, with 100 million shares changing hands. It started the week at $1.85. Waiton traded the second most shares. The stock's price was unchanged at $1.25. And Trans-Jam ordinary shares rounded out the week's most traded. It fell almost 2% to start the week at $4.03. Now let's see who had the biggest gains of the week. First Rock Real Estate USD was the top gainer, up 21%. ISP Finance had the second biggest gain, up 19%, and JMMB 7.35% cumulative redeemable preference shares rounded out the top stocks, up 16%. On the losing side now, 138 Student Living Variable Preference was last week's biggest loser. It fell 25% to open Monday at $231.15. AS Bryden USD shares fell 23%, and Pulse lost almost 16% to close out the week. Over on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, the composite index gained 0.5% last week. Massey was the TTSE's most traded stock. It gained 2% to open Monday at $3.95 TT. West Indies Tobacco was Trinidad's top gainer, up 4.5% to start the week at $5.53 TT. And on the losing side, LJ Williams B shares fell 13% to open Monday at 65 cents TT. Over in the U.S., the Dow Jones was mostly flat last week, while the S&P 500 gained 1% and the Nasdaq gained almost 2%. At the pumps, gas prices rose by 25 cents last week, while diesel prices climbed 71 cents. In foreign exchange, it took an average $158.20 Jamaican to purchase $1 last Friday. That's 57 cents more than the week before. $1 Canadian cost on average $109.70 Jamaican. $1 British pound cost $200.32 Jamaican, and you could buy €1 for $166.21 Jamaican on average. Finally, on the crypto markets, Bitcoin prices fell almost 2% over the past 5 days, trading at $96,297 on Monday, while Ethereum gained 2%, trading at $2,793 on Monday.